beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am with my landlady who happens to be a food vendor here in Ghana, and I promise to make a video with her to showcase her business globally. In today she'll be teaching us how to cook Ghana rice soup. Meanwhile, she'll be introducing her ingredient to you guys by herself. So let's dive right into the video.
Okay, so I have my fresh ginger and garlic already blended. I have my turkey berries, popularly called Nsusuwa. I have my Nyadua, we call it garden eggs, and my pepper. I have my tin tomatoes here, my salt, my Prekese, and my maggi and some seasonings. I have my salmon, my cow feet, popularly called Kotodwe here, and I have my Tolo beefy. As you know, we call it beef. I have my fresh tomatoes and my fresh onions. Okay, so this is what we have to enjoy our soup. This is cassava and plantain. After the soup, we'll be preparing fufu for our soup.
All these things are what we are going to use to prepare the soup. So keep watching, let's start the preparation. And if you are in anywhere in Accra and you want a street food, please do order from her. I'll be placing her number on the screen. Just watch her number on the screen. You will be seeing it right away. Thank you.
Okay, so now I'll be preparing my garden eggs and my turkey berries and peppers. We have to cover it for like 5 minutes for it to steam. Okay, so now we are starting with our soup. As you know, our Kotodwe is a little bit harder, so we have to start with it. And our beef too. Now with the fish, we have to wait for a little time before we add it. So now I'm putting my blended fresh garlic and ginger. Add a little water. Now I'll be adding my cube and my seasonings. Help it feel delicious. So I have to cover it for it to steam before I add any other things. So we have to check if our turkey berries and our garden eggs is ready. I think we have to wait for a little bit. I almost forgot my tomatoes and onions. That's what I'm adding now. Okay, so we're about peeling our cassava and plantain because everything has to be ready at the same time for us to enjoy it.
This is how we do it locally here in Ghana, and we enjoy it. They say when you go to Rome, you behave like the Romans. You cut it small, smashing. We are done peeling the plantain and the cassava, and this is what we got. The next thing we are going to do now is to wash it before we start boiling it. So she is washing the cassava and plantain now. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not subscribed, hustling no easy. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it's not easy to take a shot of another person outside your comfort zone, please give this video a thumbs up. And secondly, are you in Ghana and you have a restaurant that you want to promote, please do comment at the comment section and check our description box and get our information so that you can give us the information of where you stay. I and my team will definitely be there to take you a shot.
Okay, so now our tomatoes and things are ready. So I'm about to put it down. And we'll put our cassava on fire. You need to let it stay for a bit for it to get cold before you start blending it. Yes. We are now checking our Kotodwe.
It's like it will not enter. It will enter.
Our Kotodwe too is a little bit harder, so we have to leave it for some few minutes before we add any other thing.
Do you want to wash your hands? Yeah, I want to wash my hands. I want you to finish first.
Now we have a good scent because of our seasons and things. So we have to cover it for a few minutes before we add any other things.
Let the steam come up. Okay.
Stay inside.
Okay. Okay. As you can see, they use rubber. They call it rubber here, and we call it waterproof in Nigeria to cover it so that. And I asked her, why do you use rubber to cover the cassava and plantain? She said it will help the steam to penetrate inside to be able to cook faster. Okay, so that is why we use the waterproof or rubber to cover the plantain and cassava before cooking it.
So now I'm about blending our vegetables. But viewers, you can even use asanka however you want it. Okay, so now I'm about to add my tin tomatoes to it. At times if you put it like this, it helps it to mix nicely before putting any other thing else. From the beginning, I didn't add salt. I'm now adding my salt to it because this our Kotodwe is a little bit harder. If you add salt from the beginning, it doesn't get softer. So that's how we do it. Okay. So I have to cover it again for a few minutes before I add my blended vegetables. Okay, so now I'm about to put my salmon. We also have to cover it for some few minutes. Then we add our blended vegetables. Okay, so now I think our cassava is almost ready. Whoa, it's nice. We have to give it like 2 minutes, then we take it from the fire. Okay, and so now I'm about to put my blended vegetables in it. Normally some people may sieve theirs, but I normally don't sieve mine. That's the way I cook.
But since you do not sieve it, will it come out light as well?
Yes.
Okay.
It depends.
Okay.
At times, it depends on the quantity of water
You use. Okay.
At times, we will like our soup a little bit thicker.
Okay.
It makes you enjoy the soup.
Okay, not because it is called light soup and it has to be
you have to prepare it however you want it. Yes. Adding a little water.
Okay.
Little bit water. I have to spare a little bit.
Wow. I like the color.
The color of my soup is
Even without palm oil, it's nice.
yes, it's nice. So we have to leave it for it to boil. Then very soon our soup will be ready.
Okay.
So now I'm bringing my cassava down. It's ready. So we have to pour the water from it. That's what I'm doing now. You have to take care because you might hurt yourself. Okay, so now I'm roasting my prekese before I put it in the soup. As you can see, it has been already washed. So just take it to put it in the soup. If you do it like this, it helps for the scent to come very faster.
So she's trying to say that if you roast the prekese a bit on the fire, that it will make the flavor infused immediately in the pot. Yeah, that is why she roasted it. Yeah.
So now our soup is boiling and very soon it will be ready. Okay, so now our soup is ready for our fufu.
So the soup is ready, so let's enjoy and see how it tastes. Beautiful family, this is the list we can go for today. We don't want the video to be too long so that YouTube will be able to push it out accordingly. If you enjoy such video, do let us know down in the comment section, and please give the video a thumbs up, share the video, drop your comment, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. From me and everyone here, thank you so much for watching, and we will sure see you in our next video. Bye bye.